31, 2, and 3. So we cut in about what, foot, a little over feet. Put in this thing. Let's see, that's maybe a little more. Let's cut it a little more. Okay, so now we're gonna take 12 millimeter, hold it here, take 5/8 and tighten it pretty nice and tight. With 9/16 tighten this. Now we're gonna connect it. I made a little loop here and we are zip tightening its way all the way wherever this end gonna meet the other. This is where I connect it, zip tied it, and it's going all the way along. Zip tied it all the way along. In here, going up. I'm gonna open the hood. Let's climb on this communist engine. This is where it's at. It's going here. I'm gonna put the right stuff or some kind of glue here. Let's go to the dash. Okay, so this line is running all the way from the firewall. We're going to make a cut about right here at the bottom. So this gauge would be right here. We go with a little bigger now, 2 inch and 1/8. Okay, as far as wiring, I got my negative out of cigarette lighter. Right here, white is negative. Let's push that in. So this is my negative. And as far as positive, I got it out of the cigarette lighter light bulb. It is broken, it's not working, and I'm just using the wire. Okay, so let's see approximately. Let's turn the lights on. Ready, and voila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to hook it up and get the air going, and you are all done. Alright, so we are on the scales, cat scale, and we are the 5th wheel, 33,000. So I got my screwdriver and let's calibrate. So 3340. This is 34, 31, 2, and 3. About yay much. 3340, just a hair more than the 33.